I know back in 2008, early 2008, they burnt, a bunch of unruly teens burned down the Gudgeonville Bridge, a historic bridge. And then, since then, they replaced it, but this isn't a covered bridge now. This is the bridge that, the Gudgeonville Bridge was a historic bridge, and this is the bridge that they built instead, right here.
And this is the Devil's Backbone. See how high it goes up?
The Devil's Backbone right up there? Yeah. That's the new bridge they built instead of the, in place of the Gudgeonville Bridge got burnt down. But that's the Devil's Backbone right there. Oh, that's where they did? Oh man. Well, that's not good. That's not good at all. Wow. But that's where the Gudgeonville Bridge got replaced. Well, it'll still be the historic bridge will always be so until next time, bye please. Share my legion. Pouch things. I didn't think they made those anymore. Well,